Hello, welcome to my first vlog, like a daily vlog thingy, telling you what I do in my day-to-day life, and I hope you enjoy. Sorry about that sniff. Well, we just moved here, so it's a bit dirty. Well, lots of boxes everywhere. We're not going to bother unpacking because we're about to move to our new horse property that my grandpa bought. So, well, it's his new horse property, but my boyfriend and I are moving there. Sorry. But yeah, I'll just get my day started. And, well, I actually lie. My day's already started. But, I didn't film it because all I was doing was eating me Vegemite on toast. This is Lou's charcoal. Lou's my dingo pup. And a few days ago, she ate horsewormer. 3 times the toxic dose. So she almost died. She's 8 months old. She's down here because she knows this is her medicine. You got like a lovely view of my disgusting bench. So nice and neat. I'm so neat. Put you on the oven. Actually, I'll put you here. How's that? So you can see Lou eating it. Lou, come in. Sit. Get going. Should lick me. Now I'll probably have like black charcoal on me. So now it's time to give my golden retriever his tablet. And he's got a heart condition. And there it is. Okay. His little tablet. He's such a good boy taking his tablets. Best dog ever. And then after I give John his tablet, Johnny his name is, I will go and do the horses. It's a creaky door. What a good boy.
I like it.
What a good boy. Lou's just protecting the house. Come on. Do horses. Do horses. She is. Hi, Bubby. Thank you. She's so cute. What are you doing with your ear all folded back? Stay here so we can show everyone. Look. What's this? Good girl. Oh, folded ear. It looks so funny. God, I hope I don't look that funny on the camera. Yeah. You're so funny. Here's my awesome float with my sponsor's transfer on it. Alright, now here it is loaded up on the trolley that I use. And they're on hay rations because we go on a hay run on Friday and that's all they have left. So they get 1 biscuit each today. They are on grass as well, but here we are, finally at the horses. Charlie's being naughty. Oh, so puffed. Oh god, it's mad shaky. Hello! How do you feel? No! No! Oh. If you feed your horses hay, make sure you flush the bales out. Don't just chuck the biscuit in the paddock, because things like this can be in there. A great position to get kicked square in the noggin. But look at this like thorny thing, man. Like, that's just not something you want your horses to be eating. Good Lou. So yeah, make sure you fluff out your biscuit or flake or whatever you want to call it. And then, yes. Because you don't want your horses to eat those thorns. They would hurt them. And once I found a dead bird in our hay, so that was no good for the horses. Couldn't use that. My boyfriend's home!
Hey.
He's a bit camera shy. Just getting out to open the gate. Matt thinks my vlogging is stupid, don't you, Matt?
No, not at all.
He does. He's an idiot. I'm joking, I'm laughing. Shh, he's coming. It's pretty windy. We're just going to the real estate. We have to sign something to get our bond back. And it's pretty windy. Wow. Even my eyelashes are blowing everywhere. Can you put my thingy down, please? Thingy?
What's in
My thingy.
the visor?
Yeah, yeah. So that I can see how I look. Oh, in the mirror. Okay, I look fine. I look fine.
Of course you do.
Do I look fine?
Yeah.
Okay. And yes. Now what are we doing, Matt?
We are going home.
Now we're going home. Here we are at drive-thru getting my 30 cents cone.
50.
Or it's 50 cents now. It's probably still 30 in America. Because Americans, I don't know why, they just keep their stuff the same. How's this?
You can still see your eyes and mouth.
Really? But look how close it is to my face. She was so awkward when she saw that I had a camera.
No.
Damn, that was a good soft serve. Don't you reckon, Matt?
It was great.
Matt had it all. He's such a hog.
No, I barely had a mouthful.
You know, I'm the hog. Yeah, I couldn't video me eating my soft serve because I don't have two hands. You want a kiss?
No, no.
Look at them, sipping at it. I think they're just bored. How annoying. We have to work hard to get that water up here, people. Hello, my lovelies. Yeah, lucky I didn't like bump my head on the windscreen then. That would have been embarrassing. Oh. Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? Oh, what's your name? Sniff, sniff. What's your name? Hello? What's your name? What the hell is your name, my Mikey Dot? Mummy loves Mikey Dot. Are you having drinky stinky moo moo? We have to bring the horses water up and stuff like this because it just comes from that dam there. My Berry. For those who don't know, I call Charlie Berry. Don't know why. She's big. Good girl. Oh, you're so tall. I'm standing downhill a little bit. She's not that big. But she's still beautiful. Girl, lovely. No. She loves Matt. Do you love Matt?
No, we're not going to have full on cooked chicken.
I'll get your nose out of these things where it don't belong. Hi guys, we're just cooking dinner now, and we're having an omelette. I love my baby.
Are you really going to put that on the internet?
What?
Are you really going to put that on the internet?
That's how I act. Why would I lie to my viewers?
That's cooked enough.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's like raw still, man. What's wrong with you? Jeez. Oh my gosh, your nose is really cold on my leggy. My rear. Sit, Lou. What a good puppy. Lulu, speak. Good girl. She did so good. Lulu, you did so good. Lou, drop. No, drop. Here's Matt's cooking now, and my masterpiece is over here. That's what it looks like when it's folded over with all the filling inside. People could probably make a neater one. We had a decent amount of trouble getting that out, didn't we? And this is the way it always turns out. Mine looks like a pile of shit on the plate. And Matt's is restaurant quality. We're just gonna go and do the horses in Matt's ute. No. There's a toothbrush in here. You have to drive real slow because it's Lou's first time. Yes, so just had dinner. Now doing the horses in Matt's ute. Yes. And Lou's sitting literally on me. So funny. So, come on, up. Good girl. So cute. Good night, babies. I love you.